Here's the inside. I see we already have some fuckery going on here with that wire. What the hell is that all about? Yeah, early solid state. Philco, Japan. What is it, Matsushita capacitor? It says Philco on it. Look at that. Pretty cool. 1 watt, 16 ohms. Huh, someone's been in here. Yeah, there's a look at the inside. Little squirt spritzer right there. You clean the controls up. Is that factory? I don't know. 1 watt, but it sounds good. 86749. Is this a 67? There's no way, right? Oh my god, it is. Wow, I thought this was from like 72, 73, 71.
That's your oldest rating.
Damn, that's freaking awesome. And AM works fine. I have my transmitter, so I could just use AM while I look into getting FM fixed. That's freaking cool. Nice. So yeah, more to come later. Hey, look, it woke up a little bit. It's louder now.
Unforgettable evening of all your favorite throwbacks.
Nice.
Sunday, September 14th at Texas
Coming back to life.
Theater in Grand Prairie.
Now it's listenable. Maybe that's the antenna. It's going up and around, and it terminates right there. Sorry, had the focus locked. Sounds good. Sounds good. Of course, that bitch ain't coming to get it. Listening to Wave 98.3 out of Vancouver with my AM radio transmitter. Pretty cool. I don't know why he keeps doing that. This song is actually from 67. Well, the album is. I don't know if the song was recorded back then. Five Finger Death Punch on AM radio.